This 2027 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 2 inches in length and features a sandstone interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, awning, refrigerator, TV, water heater, microwave, skylight, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is 8,410 pounds. This 2027 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.